So here it is, my custom 3-inch build, also my first build ever, my introduction to FPV drones. I decided might as well start off hard, right? So I'm gonna do a little bit of maintenance on it today. So let's take the top off. So one of the reasons we're opening up today is right here. I have a expresslrs receiver with the built-in antenna. It got loose and the wires got clipped by the propeller. So there's a little bit of bare wire in there. We're just gonna shorten up the wires to get rid of that. So I will start doing that. You can kind of see in here, I had it hot glued to the base and it popped off. So we'll do something different this time. Out of the way. I'm just going to pop this off. That's something else I need to do, secure that better. Okay, let's see. The tape is here as a in the field hack job just to cover up the bare exposed wire. You can barely see it. It's a really small nick. So we're going to do a little bit of soldering. I'm going to very carefully cut this shrink wrap cover off. That in like that. Soldering iron's hot and dirty. I'm just gonna grab water. There we go. Okay. Before resoldering anything, I'm just going to clean up these pads a little bit. This is really hard to do behind the camera. So I'm going to trim these wires up to get the exposed part off, but I don't want to cut it too short because that's going to make it a lot harder to reattach it, because I don't want to remove it from the flight controller. So let's go about here. Let's go all the way through. Doesn't take much to strip these wires. Let's tin these. I'm just gonna stick them on here. Kind of like that for a second. And solder. Okay, and we've got twist. Ground is on the outside. Volt. And then transmit. I'm just looking at my diagram here. Ground 5. So ground 5. So yellow is receive, white is transmit. Alright, so we will return it down here with, tie it down again with a zip tie. Alright, so that's that taken care of. No protruding wires. That should definitely stay put. Alright, next. Definitely should have taken the propellers off before now. So, I'm gonna do it now. Just a little bit of hot glue to keep the antenna in place. All right, that's the top back on. Now, the other thing I wanted to do was tape up these wires. So to hold the wires down, I did used to have zip ties, but as you can see, the frame pretty much lays flat on the ground, so hard landings pretty much ripped those off right away. So what I got instead is some of this cloth tape. I'm just going to wrap it up. Just like that. Let's see how that holds up. I think I might add a little bit more to protect this zip tie too. Yeah, we'll see how that does. I'll keep that video antenna in place a little bit too. Not bad. Okay. Oh yeah. One more thing. New battery pad. Let's start by taking that one off. It's sticky. Yep, I think that'll be good.